Ready to score unbelievable deals and free stuff on Temu as a brand new user? Let's get you started. First things first, if you already have Temu installed, you'll need to completely uninstall it. That's the key to this method working. Don't just delete the app, make sure it's fully uninstalled from your device. Now, head over to your App Store, whether that's the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android, and search for Temu. Find the official Temu app and tap the Install or Get button to begin downloading it to your phone. While the app is downloading, this is a good time to clear your browser data. This helps Temu see you as a completely new user. Go into your phone settings, find your default browser, that's Safari on iPhones, or Chrome or whatever browser you prefer on Android, and clear its history, cookies, and website data. Every phone is different, but the setting usually can be found in Privacy and Security. Alright, the app should be installed now. Go ahead and open it up. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen, usually showcasing some enticing offers and discounts specifically for new users. This is what we want to see. Now, the crucial part. You'll need to create a completely new account. Do not use an email address or phone number that you've used with Temu before. Enter a fresh email address that you've never used on Temu. You might need to create a new email address specifically for this. Gmail is a good choice for creating a free, temporary email. Follow the steps to verify your email or phone number, and boom, you're in. You should now see the new user discounts and offers available to you. Explore the app, check out those new user coupons, and enjoy snagging some amazing deals. Remember, this method only works once per device and email address. When placing an order, make sure your new user coupon is applied to your first order. This will maximize your savings. So, that's it. Enjoy your Temu goodies and the amazing deals you scored as a brand new user. Happy shopping!